This is day 9, and today in our smoothie, as our base green, we're going to use romaine lettuce. Believe it or not, romaine lettuce tastes great in green smoothies. It's got a lot of water content, it's got some natural sodium. Both of these are very good for our joints. So if you have any sort of joint pains, if you have creaky knees, this smoothie is going to be especially good for you. Romaine lettuce is very soft. Therefore, we don't have to do anything to it. We don't have to cut anything off. We also have basil. We're going to basil bomb this smoothie. The entire half bunch goes in. We're going to take our grapes off the stem. Throw our blueberries in. Half an apple. And 1 pint of water. You gotta admit, it's really simple, both to make the smoothie and the cleanup. Unlike making juice, which takes like lots of different pieces to put together and then lots of different pieces to wash, this is easily 10 times faster than making juice. This is just basically standard practice at this point, giving your smoothies a shake. I generally blend my smoothies for minimum 30 seconds. Depending on the type of blender you have at home, you may have to go as high as 2 minutes, but basically just blend them until they're smooth. Cheers, you guys.